Hey man.
Hi.
Hey. I found them. My wife is sleeping and I'm sneaking around the house.
You working tomorrow?
Tomorrow, yeah. Hell of a month. So much work.
Oh,
I
really?
don't even have time. I don't even have time to look at trades. I'm just. It's going
You
down.
closed the trade completely?
No.
You didn't?
I haven't.
You took
Yeah,
some profits
BTC
though, right?
was. Yeah.
Nice,
I'm still
man.
waiting to see lower.
Yeah.
But
Yep.
ETH today, just beautiful.
I know, right? BTC.
Oh, there we go. Look, I found my phones and everybody's joining. Nice.
Good evening, nerds.
Good evening, nerd.
Oh,
How's everyone doing?
Nerds.
That's
waiting
right.
for more dumping.
So we're gonna
Let's
do a new Gann support resistance type of deal. And then we're gonna look at our shit. And we're gonna see what's going on here. And what is our new targets. We're gonna look at where we can go, where we're not gonna go.
I like that, not where we're not going to go.
50.
You're gonna share your screen?
Oh, sorry, I was on YouTube already. Here. I'm gonna share my screen here. I thought I was already sharing.
There we go. Okay.
We might take a look at some moon phases and pivots, but I don't think we'll do it right now. We're just strictly gonna map out some stuff.
Fucking moon faces. Is that
AJ.
where we're at right now? 5%.
Now
Okay.
is that JCast?
Yeah.
Oh my god, dude! Where the hell were you
Crazy.
hiding, bro? I'm gonna show you something. Let's help me, JCast. Help me map out this new low and shit like that. And then what we're gonna do is I'm gonna show you a quick that I haven't showed you yet. I'm gonna show you a technique to scalp 5-minute Gann.
I don't know if I can help because I'm on my phone because my wife's already
Oh.
asleep. My computer's in there. And
Oh,
I only got
okay.
5 straight life too.
Oh fuck, no worries.
But
Then
I
I
can
thought you're
watch.
at your
I can
office.
watch.
Sounds good. Okay, so I think we're gonna
Yeah.
take 2100 as the low here. Actually, let me check something. Jesus. Check something here.
Is that a 12-month?
What is this? Oh, this is 12 months. Oh my god. I'm like, what the fuck is going on? Alright. Yeah, I think we're gonna do 22.
Did that look like a smiley face to me? Or just to me?
No, I see it.
Yeah, somebody's fucking with us.
All right, so I think we're gonna take this monthly candle. I think we're even gonna take it from here to here. Yeah, we're gonna use this range here.
I pulled that one earlier.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
So now We are gonna. We're gonna Gann it. We're gonna gun. We're gonna use our.
Maybe CNC can read it off because I can't barely see your numbers.
What do you want me to do?
Yeah.
I'm on my phone too, dude.
Oh, that sucks.
What is this though? I guess. Okay. 3244. Mm-hmm. 3244. Where the fuck is my protractor? Let's go here.
All right, fuck it. I'm gonna go to my computer. I can do this. I can help you out for like 10 minutes. I gotta go back to silent. Okay.
All right.
All right. Hold on. I'll be right back.
I knew you're not gonna.
I mean, I think it's your streaming quality. That's why it's difficult to see the numbers.
Yeah, well, it's not mine. It's Discord. Discord doesn't allow you to stream bigger than 720p and on a free. Like we need to pay for Nitro. That's why I'm streaming on YouTube as well at 1080p.
Yo.
Yo, you on the PC or something?
Yes.
That was fast.
What? I don't know. I'm trying to be quiet because you're sleeping. Shut the fuck up.
Who are you talking to, bro?
My wife.
All right. It's 90. 90 plus 45 is what? 135. Now we got what? 180. 135 plus 90 is what? 180. 180. Then we're gonna need 225. Then we're gonna need 270. And we're gonna need 315. All right. Now we're gonna spin this protractor. Boom. Now we're gonna mark everything here. See what's going on. Actually, we don't need 36. We'll take this. Take this. This. We don't need that. We don't need that. We'll keep that. Don't need that. That.
How is that JCast quality is better? How does that work?
Oh, I don't know. Maybe it's because I'm streaming on both and it's eating up my resources. Bandwidth.
Yeah.
Hey, Dennis,
Yeah.
have you seen Plan B's new post?
No. What is it?
Oh, I mean, I think he's still using the stock to flow model. He's basically trying to predict the top for the next bull run.
Oh. I see. Well, we can forecast it too, no problem. I've done the TA on it and it's like 235 or 275. I can't remember. I'll have to look at it.
Yeah, I think his is around there, but also closer to like 500K.
It's possible, but I mean, like I always like to remove about 30 to 40% from the prediction because they just go way too high. But Jake, are you there?
Yeah.
All right, you ready to? Actually, I want to map this out too. All right, guys. So here, let me take the screenshot for everybody. Boom. I'm gonna post it in your TA on our Discord. We're also gonna post it in chat trading crypto. Minimize. I'm gonna move this to the screen here, and let's map some shit out. I think my shortcut was Alt J. Oh fuck. All right, so 22,150. Is done. 22, 100, 22, 650, 23, 550, 24, 900, 26, 600, 28, 750, 31, 250. We got one angle done. We got one angle done. Let me remove these numbers. Okay, 22. 32, 476. No. 22750. 23, 700. 25, 050. 26, 850. 'That's what we're gonna leave. All right, so we got these numbers. Now we're gonna do a bunch more lines here. $2,200, 22, 200, 22, 850, 23, 850, 25, 300, 27, 100, 29, 350, 31950. That's good enough for that one. 22, 250. Did we get that one already? We did. 22, 300. 2950. 24, 2450. 27, 300. 29, 600. 32, 250. Okay, we got these ones. 22350. Damn, that's a lot of numbers there. $25, 700. In a few days, guys, I'm gonna show you how to do moon angles, and I'll show you how Gann Square and Gann Triangle works. That his symbol, that square, and then it has a triangle and a circle. I'm gonna show you how to use it. 29, 950. It's gonna change your whole perspective. That thing is crazy. Got these ones. 22050, 22050, 22050. To 2050, 22550, 2340, 26350, 28400, 3850. Okay. Got 2240.
Yo.
Six 100.
Fuck keeps texting me.
All right. We got all of those. Switch to 32 min. Damn, look how this played out here. 29,350, 28,750. This is definitely going to be a very important resistance right here. 28,750. So, like I said, I'm looking to short 28,800 again. So what I'm thinking is going to happen is we're going to bounce up, all right? And when we hit this, I think we're going to go much lower. We're going to see what exactly is going to happen. We already bunched. Actually, hold up a sec. Let me draw it better. Something like that. Not that fast, probably, but this is definitely a very important level. So write it up for you guys somewhere. So start looking at levels at 28,700, 28,750, 28,800. That would be a good place to possibly short again for like a swing. This is for, we're looking for swing stuff, guys, right now. So you got yours mapped, JCass?
From earlier. Yeah.
Earlier, yeah.
Right here. Where is it? Here it is.
Yeah, so right now.
What were you seeing? 2750?
That's this range that we've been constantly bouncing and not trying to break it right here, 28,750.
Yeah.
You see how long we stuck in this range? So this is going to be a pretty good spot, as well as if we go higher, then we're looking at 29K levels. But if we're going to go lower, we got a whole bunch of lines now, guys. So you can see which ones get broken, which ones stay. We're just starting this consolidation or whatever you want to call it. Up to this massive drop right here, but as you see, there are some levels below it We actually don't need all these increments here, but it's good to have. This is just where we're possibly heading as well. If we're going to start breaking these levels to 22.5K. But there's quite a bit to break before that. So that's what we got for our levels.
Dude, can you just delete all the ones that don't really count for much?
They're all gonna count. They're all gonna count, man. They're all gonna count. We're just starting this move, so these levels here, they're gonna start getting filled by this consolidation that's gonna be happening right now. They don't mean much right now, but we want to see the reactions of all these lines. You can also, so I have this live. So I have a here. I can share the actual link to my chart that you can expand. You can do whatever you want with it. I'll post it in Chat Trading Crypto. You can click it and you're going to see my chart. You don't need to actually map it out yourself. You can just take a look at my chart. All right, so we're going to start looking at how these lines are going to be getting filled and touched and what's going to be happening in general. So I'm going to move them all to a new folder. I'm going to call it Gann Monthly. We're going to move all of these lines into that folder. This here. And monthly, so now we can just turn them off. And now let's take a look at our, where's our day started? Right here. Let me draw a vertical line here. That's our daily. There's our first daily candle. But I think we're going to take this range right here for the green candle. And we're going to look at some possible, actually, we're going to take this range here. And we're going to take the bottom. We're going to take the bottom of this candle right here. And actually, hold on, I'm going to take this range. I'm going to take this range right here. And now we're simply going to use the Gann calculator. If you don't know how to get to it, just type Gann calculator, Gann Square of 9 calculator on Google. It's going to be one of your first links. Stockmaniacs.net.
Yeah, but who's the Gann chick?
I posted the link in the Chat Trading Crypto.
I was actually thinking the same thing.
26985, right? 269. So we're going to take the top first. 26985. Oops. 26985. 26985. Now we're going to hold up. Yeah. 26985. All right, we're going to start copying these levels here. 27. Here, I'm going to move it on my channel. I'm going to start placing. Okay. 27060. 27101. 27142. 27183. 27225. And for our supports, 26937. 26896. Did I get that one already? Nope. 26855. 26814. And 26773. And now we're actually going to use this for the bottom right now. since we're scalping. From the bottom, we're going to use 25904. 25904. We're going to put a whole bunch of lines in as well. We're going to use 25961. We're going to use 26001. 26014. And 26082. And 26122 for supports, or sorry, for resistances. And for our supports, we're going to use 25840, 25800, 25760, 25720, and 25680. Now we're going to switch to a 5-minute. We're going to start looking at these levels when we hit them. We could have taken a different, this is more like for intraday. If you wanted like to scalp, you could have just taken the range that we're in right now, literally from this candle to this candle, to fill resistance support lines of this. If you guys want, we can do that too. So we just got to use the 26812. 26812. We can fill those as well. So we can use 26855. 26896. 26937. 26937. That's actually repeating itself. So yeah, this is the range actually. Nice. Holy shit. 6, 732. All right. Need more lines. Two 7019. Add that line there. 26650. 26609. Boom. 26569. Boom. Now look how it's respecting these levels on a lower time frame. We hit this resistance right here, or support, should I say, and we can just keep looking. So basically what you want to do, if we are above 26,814, if we're above this level here, you want to long it. So if we start breaking it, you want to long it. All right, and with your max target up to 26,964. And if we are below, if we are 26,773, so right here, if we are at this level, you want to short. So right now, when we touched it, you wanted to open a short, with your max target at 26,623. So right here, you would have closed it already. So obviously this is a reversal right now. We're gonna start breaking these levels possibly, and then once we get here, we're gonna start looking at these levels. These levels are super accurate. Look how well it's respecting these levels. And you can, this is literally 5 minutes. You can just scalp it. See the velocity of the candle, right? See how fast it's going. See if it's breaking it. If not, you short it. If not, you long it. Just keep watching those. I'll post the recommended sell and buys, but don't just follow them blindly. Just look at the chart and see how it goes. Follow these levels. See, guys, how many times we touched it here and we couldn't break it. So now we're climbing up. If we close above this level, see what's going to happen. But it's a very accurate method to level out your Gann Square levels. This should give you an edge in scalping, trading, seeing what levels get hit, which levels get broken. You can also map them different colors. Some of them are support, some of them are resistances, but it doesn't really matter for us. I like to combine it with our RSI and MACD on a 5 minute, just to see the candle reversals if the volume is going up or down. You can also use other tools to help you out. You can use, range volumes, stuff like that. How do you like this, JCast, the levels? You're muted, bro.
Helps if I mute. Yeah, I love it. It's great. I like having them on my chart.
What's that?
Yeah, I like having them on my chart.
Yeah, these levels are good, man. Like these scalping levels, they're pretty cool, man. You just take the range we're in, and if we're kind of going sideways, you just map them out, and you can trade sideways all day, man. Right? You just see, like, if we break this, we're definitely gonna start hitting like these levels here.
Mm-hmm.
If we're here, we're gonna be hitting these levels here, and it's amazing, man. Like, I've been watching the previous range before this big drop, and it was crazy, man. You could have scalped all day.
Yeah, no, it's just pretty cool. I was watching it earlier.
Yeah.
On my other chart that has
you can also add obviously what do you call it? Pip channels. See if you're gonna start hitting deviation. If deviation is here and also our level is here, possibly looking for a short, right? Look at candle velocities, look at our RSI, look at our MACD, combine a whole bunch of different confirmations, and that way you can really snipe out a nice ass position for yourselves, guys. These are meant to be high leverage but low margin. So you can be trading at 125x these ones with, like, $20, $100, $500, whatever the fuck you want. Just watch this all day.
Anybody got any questions?
How to understand it? I mean,
Well,
I
there's
don't know
support.
why.
There's support and resistant levels. That's what it is.
Show some cool stuff on your end, JCast. What you got there mapped out?
My Bitcoin chart's right here. Yeah, I blew through all these earlier, but it hit some key levels down here. And I use this Gann as well on this one. I have it out to the daily though. See all those, and it it respects them pretty well. It's respecting all these, which I like it. I need to fine tune mine, like he just did. So I'll probably redo it a bunch of times. But I think you guys should get that Gannzilla thing and try it out. And like he said, just find, just like go to 1 hour chart and just find areas like this, right? Just get your high and your low, and then get your support and resistance at key levels, and it gives you an awesome trading area, because that's all charting is. It's just different levels. That's all I trade. It's all he trades. Everybody trades just levels, and and you get even more levels there. So the more levels you have, the better. And then you have what's confluence. So when you get those levels, you can compare them with other things on your chart. And like right here, this bunching, this is a key level. It's got like 3 levels all in one right here. So that's a key level right there. So when you get bunching, where a bunch of lines are together, that's when you know the trades are even better. So technically, I could have gotten rid of these in between and just waited for this. Could have taken days, months, but it's obviously a really good trade. Already pulling in just from today, 6%, 100x is 600%, right? So
690. Yeah.
I mean, yeah. So maybe a little more. I didn't really do it accurately, but it's yeah, levels are where it's at. 100%. I love them. Absolutely. I got all kinds of charts with levels. I got all kinds of different charts, different things on it. That's stocks.
Like we're pretty. There's no volume right now, but you can see even without this volume, like we're literally respecting these 2 levels right now. Yeah. Between 26650 and 26609. It's only like a $50-$60 move, but $50-$60 move, guys. It's if you keep scalping it, you could do that every 5-minute candle.
By the way, I didn't notice this before. Actually, went to 25,848. So that means that there could be more down if this catches up.
Oh, definitely. Yeah, like they let me just see something here. So this is our scalping.
I just want to say that I've been scalping. This is my 3rd successful scalp right now between 25.8 and 26.6. And
25.8,
actually,
26.
it's 20. Sorry, wait, hang on. Let me look at the numbers again. It's 26.580 and 26.640. And I just scalped 3 times, 3 successful scalps, 10 to 13%.
Nice.
Well, there you go. Yeah, that's fun.
Yeah. So guys, take a look real
yeah.
quick at my chart. So these lines, the Gann levels for our swing, the major one that we did just in Gannzilla, right? So there's this level
Your stream is paused.
Really?
There you go. There you go.
It's working now?
Yeah, it's working now. Yeah.
Is it paused now?
No.
All right. So yeah. So these lines right here, 26,600. That's what we pulled out from Gannzilla, and this 26,350.
Wait.
If you don't
Wait. Can you guys see his screen?
Yeah.
Put your mouse back over it. Over your chart.
right here.
Yeah, when you put your mouse over, you put your mouse over a chart, it goes gray. Does it happen to you guys too?
Yeah.
Hold up. What about
Yeah,
now?
when you put your mouse over your chart, it goes gray.
So we got
Yeah,
this
no.
level here, 26,600, right? So we try to break it. We hard close above it, but now we're going down. And keep in mind, this is plus minus $50. We're doing $50 increments on Gannzilla, right? So this is not to pinpoint like up to a cent, right? This is for day trades, right? So if we can't break this level 26,600, then you know automatically that our next level is 26,350. You know our next level is 26,100. Like we got these levels that you can watch, and you could have easily shorted this right now. You know, this is a 5-minute chart, but if we go on you see on a 32-minute chart, we went above, but we're below it now. We get rejected, right? We hard close below it. We try to squeeze past it. If this candle closes here, most likely we're gonna go lower. And not like lower, like I'm not talking about like a swing position right now. I'm just talking about the ranges that you can be scalping. And these were the levels from the Gannzilla. These weren't even the levels from the from scalping. These are the levels from scalping. This is that gap here that we have. You see? So you can put both of them and you can see which levels are bunching. So this level right here is actually bunching up with our monthly Gann fan range. Gann square of 9 range. And it's bunching with our scalping technique on a 5-minute right here. So it's a pretty strong level. So there's 3 levels right here at 26,122, 26,100, and 26,822. So within $100, there's bunching going on here. There's bunching going on here. And this is pretty much free space here that can get filled. So this gives you, knowing these levels, guys, gives you an opportunity to short and having a stop loss so tight, right? Because you literally can snipe candle tops for your stop losses. Right, JCast?
Oh yeah, 100%.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, like look how perfect this candle touched this level here. This was our, oh no, that's because we used that for the top, I think. But yeah, you can do that. This is not the best area to do the scalping strategy on because we didn't consolidate enough, right? But when we have a big ass, like a daily initial balance, and we've explained initial balance before to Dark and to some people, then you just mark your initial balance, and you can scalp within the initial balance using this Gann Square of 9 scalping technique, and just use that calculator. You can use Gannzilla as well, but that calculator just simplifies things. I don't like pulling Gannzilla out for scalps. I like using it for like monthly levels, but it's the same thing. You can use Gannzilla or that calculator. Calculator just makes it super easy, yeah, honey? Yeah. And look, we are going down here, like I wouldn't be surprised if we hit this
22,000.
Well, no,
We're gonna go
that's
down,
for
way
sure.
down.
Yeah, no, that's a given. That's a given. So if we
How
switch
far
back
have
to
we?
switch back to
See, how far
daily,
we
guys.
retraced here?
22,850. 2350 if you don't want to fuck around too much. 2350 is going to be our good level. So we're swing short, but like I said, I want to get to that 28,800 level, and that's where I want to swing again to a short. I don't know if it's going to go down before that right now at this particular moment. Anything can happen. The strong sell walls are going on, but that is I don't, that's why I'm saying I don't want to long it till 28,800, because we just wrote a short from 31,600 to fucking 27,500 and lower. But if it does go up, I'm gonna short again. I'm gonna open a 3x swing at 28,800 for sure. But I still have 25% of my position left for from 31,600 short that we called earlier.
Oh yeah, you gotta keep that for a while.
Yeah, I closed
Dude,
75 of it.
we could have with Musk selling and all these orders I've seen come over, you could have $12,000 Bitcoin pretty soon.
Oh yeah, easy.
20,000, easy 20,000, 16,000. Break this low, because guys, we're still in a bear market.
Yeah, and you can also put a Gann fan if JKS wants to do that right now. Can you do that?
I have Gann right here.
Oh, you already have it. So these are properly scaled Gann fans right here, guys. Just so you know, when we're going down on a Gann fan, it gets magnetized to the next levels. And we're going up on a Gann fan, it gets magnetized to the levels above. So as soon as we break a Gann fan, it tries to get, it gravitates to the next Gann fan line. So
yeah, I could change the colors for you guys so you can see them differently.
yeah. So that line, can you put oh, by the way, so that moon phase thing, guys, I'm gonna show you how to identify. We're not using moon phase we're using planetary alignment angles of the moon to find the exact pivot points, like 92% precision of pivot point precision. And I'll show you a technique on how to actually use the levels to know for sure that it is the pivot point. So we're actually going to be looking, for example, if it's a pivot point from it going down to going up, the moon phase will actually show you where the pivot happens. Then what you're going to do is you're going to get a confirmation of the candle going up. Then you're going to mark it. Then it's going to go down, and that's when you open it. And when it forms a little bit of a bounce, and then it falls down, and then it's going to bounce hard up. And that's how you identify a pivot point. And it's like 92% accurate for pivot points. And that's going to be in the next class when I prepare it for you guys. And we're going to be using Gannzilla for it as well. But we're going to be using it, the square, the triangle, and the circle for it, and a protractor to find planetary alignment.
And when you guys do Gann, it's important to get your time bars in too.
Yeah.
Find good time bars where they intersect, especially with like Fibonacci and other things. Get your time bars in. You can see this is pretty close. It's only off by a couple days, but usually on time when Gann hits time, because this is time here, but this is also time. That's when you have major actions, and I'll be adjusting this. I think I've come up with like 70 or 71. I think is a good time, but I'll be adjusting it. But you need to put your time bars in there, and then expect something around those time bars to happen. Especially where your Ganns cross, they cross like this right here, something major. That's why I've marked that. That's a good indicator that something big could happen if you follow Gann. That is, and it's mostly true when you look at it.
Oh yeah, it's insanely accurate. I mean, okay, so these time bars that JCast shows you, those are fib time levels. I will show you how to do the actual Gann cycles. And they're
this is just
yeah.
All this is specifically is marking where they cross. Crosses here, here.
Mm-hmm.
That's what I mean by time when they cross. So when
I
Ganns
see.
cross, that's time. That's marking time. This marked time for something down here, I believe, but that's all I marked him for. But yeah, he'll show you the actual Gann time. I'm just marking time and Gann fan.
Yeah. What do we have for volume?
I like that.
Oh, what?
I like this. I like these extra levels. Love them.
I know, they're incredible. You're gonna be shocked to look at these levels, JCast, and when the moon phase hits and it's a pivot point, and you see that it's on the level as well, and the pivot has to hit, you're like, holy fuck, dude! It's easy mode, man. It's literally easy mode, man. It's dude. I back tested it, 92% pivot points detection.
No shit.
Yeah, 92%.
Like guys, I marked these levels this morning. So today's Thursday. Probably around here, I was marking these levels, and you can see it came down, and now it's respecting them pretty well. I mean, we have volatility; it's going to rip through. But when you're ranging like this, just like he was telling you, like right now, you could be scalping potentially here and here, and your stop loss is just like front running this level up here, right, or back running it. So you enter here and have a stop loss, about 10%, 15%, just because you're basically only doing levels. That way you have minimal stop loss, and you could potentially just sit here and run this, up and down, just like Wizard was just saying he's doing, and just bam, 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 until we break out, and then you go to the next one.
Mm-hmm.
I just want to say something. I was my first three were shorts. Specifically, I always waited for the top in order to short because I felt that long might be risky. I just tried long. I lost out to 5.5%, but I think on a down stretch like this, where the market is going down, I think trying to specify your scalp only on shorts would be actually a safer bet.
I agree with that too.
Yeah, go with the flow. And guys, just and for scalping strategies, you could, I mean, even if you don't have your Gann set up, it's very simple. You've got your little swing low and you've got your little swing high. right? And then you just trade it until it breaks out, because this is the swing, in this little range. If it breaks out, then we're looking for a retest to short. If it breaks up, we're looking for a retest to long, or we're looking to bounce inside of it. So it's really simple, but you just want to pick the extremes within a range that you're in and look for a wick to come up here. And just like anything else, you'll front run it, right? So I mean, if you're going to short this, you're going to front run it the level a little bit, and you're going to front run the TP a little bit, and you're just going to sit there and just do this up and down with minimal stop loss, and just sit there and scalp the ever living shit out of it.
Yep.
Of course, you got your Gannzilla lines that does it for you. So see how close they are. And my lines aren't fine tuned like his. I did it for the first time by myself today. I'm gonna go with Dennis privately probably tomorrow and go through it again so I can get it perfect. But this is where it's at right here.
Going down. I think trying to
Run the TP a little bit. What are you replaying or something?
I was just checking something out. I thought I glitched out. I thought I glitched my stream on YouTube. I'm streaming this
Oh,
on
you were
YouTube.
streaming YouTube?
Oh yeah.
Nice. Nice.
Yeah, I want to start recording all our Discord sessions with the community just to show other people that, you know, it's good.
Look at that shit. Perfect hit.
Let's see. You had that before the drop?
Yeah. I had a couple confirmations. Well, I mean, it's just swing low. It was a swing low pattern.
Yeah.
And then of course the 1.114.
And that was with that BTC crash. Did it align with that BTC crash?
Yeah, this is the only one. This is picture perfect. This is the only one that aligned with it. This is a shark right here, but all the rest of them overextended quite a bit,
harmonic
as you
shark?
can see. Yeah, that thing nailed it. I didn't trade it, but it nailed it. I came back and saw it. I was like, son of a bitch. I didn't even have a freaking alert on this one either. I usually put alerts on everything. But that was funny. Yeah, that right there brought some good money to somebody if they caught it.
Hmm.
Oh, I did have an alert actually. Right there. Yeah, I don't know what happened. I just didn't trade it. Yeah, all these things. This one almost hit. Should have hit. Yeah, today was a good day for some people.
Yeah, 100%. It's crazy. The volume difference, of exchanges, like $1,000 difference between BitGet and Binance. That's nuts.
Yeah, it's crazy. It's just different amounts of volume. I trade like Bitcoin. I have Binance. I trade on BitGet and Bybit now.
Yeah.
But I have all of them on Bitcoin. I have every exchange.
Oh, yeah.
I've got it on the BitGet, China, which is TradeStation, or BitTrue now. It was TradeStation. Now it's BitTrue. You want to get all of your Bitcoins. You want CME, like this gap here I posted earlier. That's a gap that's going to get filled when the market opens tomorrow or the next day. It could be Monday, but all gaps get filled. And I always go and mark gaps. Like every single gap you see gets filled, no matter if you like it or not. So it's just targets to have. You want to have these gaps marked because at some point this is going to be a target for somebody.
Yep.
The gaps are very important on CME.
For people who don't know what a gap is and why it's formed, is because on CME, there's market actually closes, and when market is offline, Bitcoin is still doing something on centralized exchanges, and when the market opens, Bitcoin already moved, but CME was closed. It didn't know what's going to happen, so it creates that gap of when it was closed to the price that it's at right now.
I just want to say that the big move from earlier, the big drop, and the rebound literally happened within the space of 3 minutes. So I highly doubt that anybody would be able to jump into it. Jake has, by the time you click on the freaking mouse button, it would probably had already jumped and moved.
Of course, but you have to
because
understand we had
if you
shorts
look,
before that.
yeah, but you have people that have like they sniped it with their limit orders. They got in.
We knew about the level.
Yeah, I mean, levels are always there. All my levels are there. I've got levels, all over the place. But that was a significant level. I just didn't think it would happen today, and it didn't matter because I was in a Pepe short, I think, from up here. So I took the Pepe down to this area, and I got out. I almost missed it. It was over 1,000%, and then it started retracing, and I got out just in time. But
I had a trailing stop loss, so
these are everybody needs to understand. Everybody needs to understand that 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 1 hour, that's scalping. That's great. I love it. It's one of my favorite things to do. But if you're going to be catching these knives right here, you have to chart on the monthly, weekly, and daily and 4 hour. I mean, these are all daily levels that I've marked here. And those are daily levels and weekly levels are going to be your most important levels that are, when they get hit, there's a bigger reaction.
Yeah.
When you have 15 minute, 30 minute, you get reactions, but they're not as big unless you're just lucky, right? Because if there's no reaction in the opposite direction here, then there's going to be a huge reaction just right through it, right? Just like there was at this daily, it just pierced right through it and went to the next one. And so you've got the chart. You got to start all your charting on the higher time frame and work your way down. I've got my weeklies. My purple is weekly. I'm only charting within this range right here right now. But this purple, if it comes up here to 34, which it will, I'm going to short the ever living crap out of that because that's going to be a huge reaction on this bottom side. Now it's resistance. So this is was support, broke through. It's no longer support. If it breaks through again, it'll become support again for the top, and they'll give us a new all-time high. But you've got to start on your weekly, daily, and then work your way down. Every day when I come in to my office in the morning, I go straight to the weekly and daily, and I see what's happening, what's going on. You got to look at the overall picture. And then when I get down to it, if I'm going to scalp, then I'll come down here like I've been playing around today, and I'll start pulling, whatever, and scalping it. But you're just not going to be able to get huge reactions unless you're lucky. But you can get your 20 and 30% profits very easily. But you're not going to get, like Dennis gets these other guys that are getting, 500-600% on big ports because it just doesn't happen on a small time frame unless you get lucky, and that's it. Bottom line.
Yeah.
I'm still trying to figure out here what you're saying because this happened within 2.5 to 3 minutes. It bounced down 3K, bounces up 2.5K. It seems like it's very difficult, even if I had it jotted down or plotted down, or if I had drawn it on the weekly, the daily, and the monthly, weekly, daily. I don't know how I would be able to actually catch that.
You would set a buy order at your daily hold at 25,196, right? And then you wouldn't even have to be present. You would know it would bounce there because it's a very important level. So like we explained before, 5-minute levels, they get breaking easily. 15-minute levels, they get breaking easily, but a little bit harder. 30 minutes, a little bit harder. 1 hour, more harder. 4 hour, much harder. Daily level it doesn't get broken usually on like a monthly level on a first touch. So it bounces. So if you preset your buy order, if you know the market fundamentals, if you know that the market is going down, and you know the possibility of a death wick, which always happens, you just know it in BTC, it happens. And you have that level set, so it touched it, it filled your order, and it bounced back up. You get $2,000 on a Bitcoin right there.
Yeah, and by the way, this is 1, 2, 3 minutes to get down, 1, 2, 3, 4 minutes to get up before a retest, and you could have retested and entered here anyway if you didn't have limits because you see what's happening now. So yeah, the traders, they had limits set somewhere in here, the ones that caught it and they caught the knife, and others that reacted to it, they watched this 1 minute chart and they watched it come all the way up here and then retrace, and they probably got in somewhere around here, and they're probably still riding it right now, hoping it'll go up with their stop losses and profit. But you could have caught it. You just had to be there. You know that you're not going to catch these. Every one of these great moves happen in like 5 minutes, right? They don't happen over hours.
Yeah.
If you're trying to get a big time scalp that turns into a swing move that you can close in 20 fucking minutes, right? So these things happen fast, and either which I didn't have any orders here. I mean, I had these levels, and these are obvious. I had a backside hold here, and then a front side daily hold here, knowing that this would be my entry. This would be my stop loss would be just below this, because this is my last. This daily hold is my last resort for this to not break through and then come down to the point of control and other daily levels. So, we would have had these limits here. I didn't, but other traders had limits here, guarantee it, and they've already pulled in their profits and
100%.
they're already
That's why
out
it
and they're
bounced up.
laughing.
Yep.
Yeah. So, and there's probably a lot of orders there too. And you also need to look at order books. You need to look at your footprints and see what's down there. And don't look at your order books and say, oh, there's 20 Bitcoin being purchased here. If you gotta look at your order books, say, okay, there's 500, 600, 700 Bitcoins that are sitting right here. You want to see those eat this up and then make it shoot off. And that's when you would know, but you need confirmation. You need other levels that tell you that it's not just a bot putting in 500 there to hold the price up. You need actual confirmation that this is a key area. So you have to do your TA. But as far as your happen in a minute or two, and how could you catch it? Well, you have a limit order. It's the only way you can catch that. Otherwise, you're catching a retracement. And still, one hell of a move catching this retracement here. I mean, you're still talking 400%, a little more actually, but you're still talking really good money here. 450% just on 30 minutes. I mean, that's huge. That's great.
Yeah, so we try as traders, we try not to catch the actual red candle, man. That's catching a falling knife. I know you guys, a lot of you just like, oh my god, it's crashing, and you guys enter. That's an easy way to get wrecked. It's so volatile. The candle can be jumping up and down. It's just gonna eat you alive. Once it starts doing that, you want these levels already mapped out. This is why we're telling you guys it's very important to have the levels mapped out for your entire month. Every week you have to map out new levels, because that way you will know where the candle is going, where the candle will bounce, and you're going to be ready for it.
Mm-hmm. And you see this line it's hugging right now? It went right through it, and now it's come back like a magnet to it. That's the daily open. It's very important every day to go to your opening candle and mark it, right? So this is a red candle that closed here, and today's opened here. Mark it, but daily open or whatever you want. And that's going to be a key area for the day that you want to have. And you can see how it's playing on this line right now. So people that saw this open this morning and then go up, and then let's see, when did this open? 17. Oh, never mind. This opened just recently. This is a recent candle. So this is previous day, isn't it? Yeah, previous day. So people who had this here, they understood that when this came down here, that it's going to come back up here, because now this daily open is considered resistance, and it should hopefully hold their move down, but it also is a target for their long. If it goes way up here, then they know that this is now a support, and it could be a target for a TP or a target for an entry. So you just need to get your important levels in: monthly, weekly, and daily candle close, candle open. Just
That's for
mark
sure.
all of those and keep them on your chart. Keep them on your chart, no matter what. Even if that's all you trade, you're going to be the best trader, because you're trading only a couple times a month, but you're getting quality trades.
Mm-hmm.
Just like that's a quality trade. I just don't trade Bitcoin that often. I use it for charting because I trade alts, but that's a quality trade right there. And that's a quality target from that 31.6 that he was at, from way up here somewhere. So it's a better target than he had earlier at 27.5.
My short was 31,600 plus, and my target was 27,500. But what you do, guys, is I knew it would go. I go very conservative with my take profits. I knew we were gonna go lower. I have a plan and I stick to it. I don't want to be too greedy, but there is a way to go about it. Is you set a trailing take profit, right? So it will, if the candle is breaking through your take profit of 27,500, it's not going to take profit on the candle breaking through it. It's going to take profit on the candle going up to touch it again from the bottom. So what happened is the candle broke and the price kept going down, and then you can set the increments at which you want it to take profits. Usually it's 5, 10, or 15% more from your TP. So if it goes to 2,700, 27,200, it will take a little bit of profit. If it goes to 27, it will take profit. If it goes to 26, it will take a bit of profit. And then when the candle starts going up, it starts taking the trailing profit again. So if the big red dildo candle breaks through your take profit, set take profit, it's not going to take it right away. It's going to do it on the candle going back up. So you're going to make way more money than that. And you should, on the swing positions, you should always be using trailing take profit, to be honest with you, even in scalps. In scalps, it's just we're trading very high leverage. So there's this thing about the fees. You kind of want to just sit there and do it manually. But on day trades, guys, I assure you, use your trailing take profit. Don't just set your take profits, because usually the candle whizzes by it, and why not take more profit than you can?
Oh, that's right. Well, fellas, I'm going to go unless you have any more questions for me.
I think we're
All
good,
right,
man.
good deal, guys.
No, good night, bro.
Great video. Great
Yeah.
video.
Thank you.
I will be in chat, but I'm going to turn the mic off so I'm not talking anymore. Let my wife sleep.
Thanks
Sounds
for the
good.
information, guys.
Yeah, man.
Later, dudes.
See you guys.
Have a good
Enjoy.
one.
All right, guys. So that's our little podcast of trading with our community. We do this very often. You're welcome to join. I will leave the link to the Discord under the video. It's free. All the signals are free. All the education is free. If you want one-on-one mentorship, that's paid because we respect our time, but you don't need to get it. Very few people do actually get it, but then we're doing one-on-one classes. But other than that, it's a great community. We have over 1,600 members. We analyze charts all the time, make great trades, make great calls. See you guys there. Thanks for watching.